Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken dip with chicken breast. First, gather your ingredients like cooked chicken, cream cheese, and hot sauce. You'll shred the chicken, then combine everything in a baking dish. Finally, bake until it's bubbly and perfectly heated through. It's a simple and delicious process that anyone can master for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Let's talk about the key ingredients you'll need for this amazing dip. Start with 2 cooked chicken breasts, roughly 1 pound, which you'll shred. You'll also need 1/8 ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce, and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese for that perfect topping. Now let's get mixing. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your cooked chicken breasts and shred or dice them into small, manageable pieces. In a large bowl, combine the chicken with the softened cream cheese, buffalo wing sauce, and dressing. Stir everything together until it's well combined, then spread the mixture evenly into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. It's time to bake and serve your delicious creation. Place your baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbly around the edges and has a lovely golden brown top. Garnish with fresh, chopped green onions or parsley for a pop of color. Serve it hot with celery sticks, carrots, or your favorite tortilla chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.